how to view story archive on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go to your Facebook application here, and it will lead you to your home page. Now what I want you to do next is on the bottom part you will see different icons, different options there. Just tap on menu, and on the upper right you will see your name, and then tap on see your profile here, and it will lead you to your profile page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you will see beside edit profile, you will see three dots there. Just tap on that and it will go to your profile settings. Now, here on profile settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on archive here. Now, here on archive, you will see trash, or you can actually filter all the archives or posts that you want to see and repost again. And as we want to actually view our story archive, beside trash you will see the story archive there. Just tap on that, and basically that is how you view story archive on Facebook. Now if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. Just go to your app store, your play store, depending on your device, and just tap on update then there, and then do the same process again. Basically, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.